Okay, so when you leave your Caribbean and you leave and you come overseas, we come with the mentality of working and better with self, right? We all should have come with that mentality. But when is it that we are going to wake up and say, you know, we work like a slave, we pay our bills, and we don't see where the money go, where the money are due, where we are work so hard every day. Then when you realize your body full of ache, your body full of pain. And then when you look now and you see some people now do all of them work the way we are do, and them are live in a better life and them something there. But when we come to share with you today is that this video was requested by one of my donors. I was talking about some of my investment the other day. I'm going to share things with you eventually on this channel, as me that tell you before when me just start the channel. Any little thing when me learn, I want to be able to share it with you because me is for the people. And sometimes we know things or hear things or see things and we don't say nothing because we have this thing where we keep things to ourselves. Sometimes we must talk, so we can grow as human. And that's why, and then no, we not have to get up every day and I go do a 9 to 5 for the rest of our life. Or if we do it to a distant and we have to, and we stop because we see we are true for the rest of our life. You get what I mean? We are work from we idea we need. So when we get older, we want to be able to can relax, maybe go do like a vacation, do like a life. You agree? Yes or no? All right, so investment the other day where a lot of us, especially Jamaicans, we don't discuss these things. We don't talk about these things. And I just want to share my opinion on this one. Just this, I'm just gonna stick to this, just this exact one right now. I joined this bank is I create a savings account and I put my little money in there. You work your little paycheck. This every month you have to pay your rent. Now listen to me, Caribbean people. Listen to me right now. Yeah, you me tell I'm serious. Looking at my eye, I'm serious as a judge. Listen to me. All right. Every single month you pay your rent. That is for living, right? You have to find it, right? You have to go work the money to find it. Not true. Why is it that we don't find an investment where we go and we go work just like how we work for pay we rent and we mortgage and invest just like that? Anyway, the money for come from for pay the mortgage, we pay it. Not true. If we have one little money in our savings account, we quick for use it out. Why? Why is it? We quick for go in our savings account, go take out every penny and use it. You see that same money there, if you budget yourself, you say, all right then, me pay $1,000 a week. I'm sorry, $1,000 a month for me rent. You must can find 200 or maybe not even say 200. Say $100 every month. To say this supposed to go in an investment every single month. But if you want to put $25 a week so that you don't miss it, or you want to put the whole $100 in there every single month, go ahead and put the $100 in there every month, or put $25, set it up on auto pay. Set it up from auto pay and put it in there. I'm gonna link the link in the comment section for the bank where me joined. And me just I recommend you to join the bank too. So I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. You can do your research, but I'm gonna tell you what me learn so far with this. It's a 4.7% interest. If you put $100 in that account every single month, hold on there. Let me do the maths real quick. I'm just saying, because I'm not done with you yet. Just watch me on this. I have my glasses right there. All right, $100 times 12. That is $1,200. I never have to do that in a car. I'm a maths bro. I love the maths. Okay, equal $1,200 times 10. That is $12,000, right? Yeah, that's $12,000. It's not a lot of money, but what matter is if you save that for the next 10 years and you are earn 4% on that. I'm just saying there is so much things out there where you can do, but just put that in there. Just like how you pay your rent, I'm just referring. If you have more and you want to put more in there, you put it in there. So for instance, you get a partner job, drop one $500 in there, drop one little money in there, because guess what? The 4.7, you're getting 4.7% in interest rate every single month. Not every year. Every month, you are going to see the increase of 4.7% of whatever money you have in there. So if you have a lump sum, put it in there. So for instance, say you have one $5,000 in there then, and the 4%, you keep on add, and every single month you have put money in there, 4% to add to what you have in there. That is how rich people get rich. They do a lot of investment. They do a lot of different investment. So I am going to link the link in the description, and check it out. If we know something, we don't share it. And that's why I say, anytime I learn something or I know something, me I go start telling about it so you can go about it. Because there is way more research and things when me I do, and I feel out things. And as me say, you know me not in the country for long. But when it come on to thinking, I am good at thinking. I'm a one for, if me I go telling you something, it's something when me do and I've proof of. So when me put that me look money, maybe not put me look money in the account and me I see me look dividends add up, everything add up. At the end of the year, at the end of the next 10 years, 20 years, where you put it in there, you know, so you mustn't touch it. Because we love to go in a savings, go take out to look of money and pray upon it and we should go spend it. You have to think about it like the rent. Think about it like the mortgage or the rent, where you know you're not going to get back that money. Think about it like that. When you save, blank it out of your eye. You don't have no credit, you see the bank here, Marcus Bank. You're going to drop the link in the comment section. Click on the link, go over there and go sign up your account. Link in the description. Go sign up your savings account, set up auto pay in your account, or you just transfer the money in there every month. Dedicate yourself to do it like you do your rent. That's why I say your rent, because you don't get back your rent. That is something that you have to work so hard to pay and you never get it back. So me just I say $100 now. Me no know all your pockets there, but every mickle make a muckle. If you can put $500 in the amount, put it. If you can put $200, put it. If you can put $50 in there, and what you have, it matters, it count. And pretend, because you're not getting no card. You're not going to get no card for it. So you have to pretend like you don't know, and that the money they insure. It's better than when you have money in a them like a local bank here where you get your PA in, because them bank here, may I tell you something. No matter how much money you have in there, you only get a penny or 1 cent. You hear me tell you? 1 cent. No matter how long you have it in there, 1 cent. I have money in a bank already. Me not get no more than $1, less than $1. I can't remember if I get $1 for my money 1 month in the local bank them. So they have your money and then we use it to do what they want to do with it, and then you not get nothing for it. So what is sense me I keep it? When me have it for? So if I have that as a savings account, I don't have other savings account, I don't want other savings account no way, it don't make no sense. You have to put your little money in one savings account and know say that because savings and not something for you for going out every minute. Find another way. Go borrow your money from, borrow one little money from your friend if they can lend it to you and go use that for the way you want to do as an emergency. If I keep your little checking account with your little emergency fund. But that pretend like it is your rent and it is towards your retirement. That is just my recommendation to there is so much more them I go and share with you over here, but them just take time I manifest a little bit. So as so me get a chance, I go share things with you over here. Okay? Sign up on Marcus Bank, open a savings account. My email in my description. If you no understand how you need me help, you can always reach out to me by my email. Okay? Always, you can always. Me think me I go put one telephone number in my description too. And me not charge enough to do that. Me just telling you say, you go do it and you put effort into your life. Okay? Put effort in your life. We talked to one the other day about the membership, the travel membership. Everybody deserves to go away sometimes and get a break and enjoy yourself. If you don't have that, at least you know say when you go to a different country, you don't have one cheap vacation stay, you don't have to pay no whole heap of money. You just have to find on a ticket. If you don't have that and you can be able to do the account, you do it so that when you not go travel one time for a year, you don't have that place to stay. Just my recommendation. So if me know little things, we can always share it with you know. Want know more? Reach out to me. My email in the description and me go drop Marcus link. Drop the link in the comment section. On just open on a savings. Savings enough to open here. Not no other account. It's a savings account enough to open. I wanna put the money in the account and the 4.7% will add it to an account every single month. So whatever money you have in there. So for instance, say you sell one car and you decide so you now go buy back and you no plan to spend the money right now. Put the money in there. Because if you no sell the car, I wanna say, you know me, I go start at the train, I'm not interested to take this. Yeah, put it in there. Anytime you have one little money, put it in there. You no waste the money. No waste it, pinch it. Nobody take you go buy clothes and love spend, 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 spend. If you no grow now, you no realize that spending must young be picking. Get up every day and spend out the little chop and so on. You no start putting on one little investment. So when you get older, you can have somebody come out and look a place come take care of you. You no have to stress on yourself. Okay? So the more me learn, me I gotta tell you a little. Now tell you a little by little. Check the link in the comment section and go over Marcus go sign up on savings account. If you need more, just email me and tell me say you need a little assistant. And me we text on my number and just walk on through the step on the phone if you don't want. You understand? But once you can read or whatever, it's very simple. Follow the prompts. Once you click the link, it will take you. Click savings, put in your information, and set up your account. Try not miss nothing. When you set up your account, make sure say your social is correct. Remember, it's a bank, you know. This is not no joke thing. It's a bank. It's not a joke thing. So now if you take it serious, nobody go put part of your name, put your full name. Put your full name. It will take you right to the savings account. Put your full name and put in your information like you go to the bank and open in your account. Because when you forget your money, you want to make sure say you have your correct information in there. Okay? Don't let for none. We have this tendency, oh, make we use just we middle name or just the end of we married name or what. Put your right name. All right. Some of us love leave out piece of we name. Once it asks you for your correct name, no miss it. If you have the hyphenated in your name, put your hyphenated if you're married. Put it there. Put it the way how it is for your social and your other bank. No game. Okay? This is not a game. Me no know no business that now got this is a bank. And it's a bank where insured by the government. So say for instance, say them local bank here, if you lose money out of it, you must get it back. This bank, it is insured by $250,000. So if you lose your money and you're depressed, just saying if the bank crash like that, the government are going to pay you back. You can go look it up on Google. Go read it up for yourself. Me go read it myself. So I'm just saying this bank is insured. So on and have to worry, say, oh, this is the right bank for now, trust me. Me in there later. And you see this girl, you do my research. Enough of we Jamaican, we not like to invest. And we not like do certain things. We're paranoid and we're afraid. But that is what separates the rich from we because the small mindset is what keep we in a one position forever. And we have to wake up now and try to elevate and do things that is a little bit different from where grandparents them and our parents them used to do. have to find different source of income, different ways where you can earn an extra dollar. Extra dollar is always better than the half a dollar where you have. If you can earn 50 cents more, at least 50 cents more, it's still more. It add up at the end of the day. That 4.7%, if you are throw in there and put money in there. Sometimes we go at the mall and we think so we have to buy this and we, you know, some go at the mall what they are. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. I'm going to buy one something. I'm only gonna buy the one something. I don't buy nothing else. That is all my mindset change. You couldn't get me go at the mall and just buy one something. My mindset change. So we just have to change. Yeah, that's it. Later.